Hello everybody, welcome to Maths Cook House, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of the tandoori keema kulcha. It is just as easy to make at home without a tandoor. To begin, prepare the dough. Take 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a large bowl. This would make 4 kulchas. Add 4 tablespoons curd, 2 tablespoons oil, a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon baking powder and quarter teaspoon baking soda. Knead it into a soft dough using water. Let it rest for at least 20 minutes. In the meantime, make the keema stuffing. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add in quarter cup finely chopped onions and saute until translucent. Add in 1 to 2 finely chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and salt to taste. Saute for a minute or two. Next, add in the minced chicken. If you prefer, you can use mutton mince instead. Cook until the water dries up. If there is water remaining in the mixture, it will be difficult to roll out the kulchas. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Once cooled, transfer the stuffing to a bowl. If the mince pieces are large, crush them into smaller ones. Now add in quarter cup finely chopped onions, 1-inch piece of ginger chopped, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons crushed kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves, 2 teaspoons roasted and coarsely crushed cumin and coriander seeds. Now add in quarter cup chopped coriander leaves. Mix well, check the salt and add more if required. We are using a large pressure cooker to make the kulchas. If it is not available, you can use a deep and wide mouth pan instead. Make sure you don't use a non-stick utensil or the kulchas will not stick. Heat the pressure cooker upside down on a high flame. Make sure it is heated well by sprinkling a bit of water on it. It should sizzle. Once the dough is well rested, knead it again. Divide it into 4 equal portions. Roll them out a bit and add in a generous amount of stuffing. Seal the edges as you would do in a stuffed paratha. Press it down a bit. Sprinkle Nigella seeds kalonji, poppy seeds khaskhas, and chopped coriander leaves on top. Press it down. Roll out the kulchas into the desired shape. Turn the pressure cooker over. Make sure it is well heated. Apply water on the plain side of the kulcha and place them on the side of the cooker. Press down and crimp them a bit so that they don't fall off. Place the cooker back on the burner upside down and allow the kulchas to cook. Make sure the flame is on the high. Depending on the type of the burner, it takes barely a few minutes to cook. Once cooked and well colored, remove the kulchas to a plate. Brush generously with desi ghee. The tandoori keema kulcha is ready to serve. For more such recipes, follow me at Mads Cook House and be sure to like, share and subscribe.